Hey guys, it's Avery. Today I wanted to film a college dorm haul. So yeah, I'm gonna be a freshman in college this year, and I had to buy things that I totally forgot that I would even need, and it just accumulated, and I move into my dorm in about 3 weeks, and I wanted to just buy everything and get it done with so I wasn't worrying about it like 2 days before I was supposed to move in. So yeah, I ordered things from Urban Outfitters, and everything else I think is bought from Target. Subscribe if you're new, like this video if you like it, and let's get into the video. Okay, so the first bigger thing that I got was a comforter set from Urban Outfitters, and I'm actually, the camera is placed on the box with the comforter and sheets in it, so I didn't really plan that out very well. But I do have the bag that it all came in, which is the same color as the sheets that I got. On camera it looks like whitish, but it's like a blush pink, and it's like marble. I'll put a picture from the site on the screen if it's still on the site. But yeah, my roommate and I didn't even like plan out, like we didn't have like a theme or anything. But we both showed each other what we got, and there's definitely like a light pink, turquoise white color theme going on, and we didn't even plan that. I used to hate pink, and now it seems like I'm switching to everything pink. And then also from Urban Outfitters, I got a hamper, because I wanted a more sturdy one to hold my clothes, like when because I am going to take my clothes home to wash them, since the school I'm going to is near where I live. Because I think I'll save a lot of money on that, so definitely going to do that. But I got this hamper from Urban Outfitters. It's like a bohemian style kind of look. And it like goes down like that, so it's really easy to carry around and stuff, which is very nice. I think that's all that I got from Urban Outfitters. I only got those 2 things. And then I guess another random place I got something from PB Teen. I used to get stuff from PB Teen all the time. Like all the furniture I have in my room when I was like 14 is all from PB Teen. I got a gift card for my graduation for there, so I decided with my gift card to order some storage bins for under my bed, because oh, that's what I'm forgetting. Be right back. Totally forgot that I got all this other stuff and was just putting it in my closet because I don't have any room in my room for everything. But anyways, so I got a bed riser because my roommate, her sister, I think she's either gonna be a senior in college or she's graduating, but she has given us a lot of tips and stuff, and she definitely recommended bed risers. Something cool about these bed risers though is that it has a USB port and a plug-in, and they're only $8 at Target if you want to get one. I highly recommend it. But yeah, so I got a bed riser so that I can put a bunch of storage bins under my bed. I was going to use the storage bins for like clothes and stuff, but then I totally forgot that my dorm provides a dresser and closet, and I really don't need to bring that much clothes. But I know I'm going to have a ton of other miscellaneous things that are going to need to go in there, so I got 4 of those. And then, I mean, I don't really need to show you like the little stuff I got. Like at Target I got like cotton balls, tissue box, like boring stuff like that. I feel like I don't really need to show you guys any of that. Also, some other miscellaneous things. Well, actually, I got a shower caddy. Okay, well, my camera just ran out of storage, so I had to replace the SD card. But, I forgot what I was talking about. Oh, the shower caddy. So, I got a shower caddy so that I don't have to take multiple trips to the bathroom, but like, got like shampoo and conditioner and stuff. Mouthwash, just all the necessities. So I have a lot of throw blankets, and I know it's a problem, but I either got them from like friends for Christmas or something, but I only have bought like 2 throw blankets in my time. The rest have just been given to me, and I always like them to match my bed. And the one that I have right now is like teal, like a dark teal color, which definitely does not look good with the blush pink. So I got one from Target and it was only 16 bucks, so I'm taking it as a win. But it's just a white throw blanket, but the thing about it is that it is the softest blanket that I've ever felt in my life, and that is what I need in my dorm room. So I got a blanket. And then I just have a bunch of washcloths, but when I went to Target, I wanted to I'm very organized, I'm a very organized person. I got towels, but I wanted them to be matching and really cute colors and everything. So I got, the colors don't look as cute on camera, but they're really cute in person. It's like a bright yellow, a mint green, and peach. But along with the matching towels, I got the same thing for washcloths. So from Target, I got this. It's 3 shelves, and it just holds a bunch of random stuff that you have. So, and it is movable. There's wheels. But I just have, I don't know what I'm gonna put on it when I get to the room, but right now I just have a bunch of coffee mugs that I'm gonna be using because, oh yeah, I'm also getting a key rig. I have to get that still. I keep forgetting. And then my mom got this aromatic diffuser, like those little sticks that you put in here and then it makes your room smell, because I don't know if you're allowed to use candles or not. I mean, I'm gonna try because candles are one of my favorite things in life, but if not, then I'm definitely gonna use things like that. I'm bringing a bunch of fairy lights. I'm gonna take the ones I have up there down and bring those and wrap them around the whole room. As a graduation gift from one of my cousins, she got me this hanging light bulb thing from Target. And then I went to TJ Maxx and got food containers because I'm gonna have a mini fridge and a microwave and stuff, so I'll be able to somewhat make food. Just to put fruit and stuff that we buy in. There's 10 containers and they all just are really, it's really small and it goes to really big. I think this is the last thing that I've gotten so far. I still have to get a few things, but this is it for now. At TJ Maxx, they had these gold silverware, and I grabbed them right away because I've always wanted gold or rose gold silverware, and they were like $3, so that's the silverware that we're using. And then from Target, I got the college dorm room plates and bowls that are microwavable. So I just got 4 plates and then 2 bowls. I don't know if I want to film a college dorm haul and then back to school supplies in 2 separate videos, because I mean, in college you really don't need much for school supplies, but I feel like I could still make that into a video. Yeah, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and again, subscribe if you're new, like this video if you liked it, and I will see you in my next video.